Many Sigma females have hobbies they are deeply passionate about, and with the right approach, these hobbies can be transformed into profitable careers. Whether it's cooking, exploring nature, or any other interest, turning a hobby into a money-making job involves creativity, dedication, and strategic planning. In this guide, we'll explore practical ways a Sigma female can leverage her unique skills and passions to create a rewarding and lucrative career from her favorite activities. From starting a blog to offering personalized services, the possibilities are endless. Let's dive into how a Sigma female can turn her hobby into a thriving business. Number 1. Sigma female loves planning and organizing. A Sigma female's talent for planning and organizing can be transformed into a lucrative career by offering services tailored to the needs of individuals or businesses. They can assist individuals in managing their schedules, setting goals, and creating actionable plans to achieve them. This could involve providing personalized coaching sessions, helping clients optimize their time and productivity. For businesses, Sigma females can offer project management services, aiding in organizing workflows, scheduling tasks, and ensuring projects are completed efficiently and on time. Additionally, they could specialize in event planning, orchestrating weddings, parties, or corporate functions from conception to execution. By leveraging their knack for strategic thinking and attention to detail, Sigma females can establish themselves as valuable assets in various industries. Building a strong reputation for reliability and professionalism can lead to a steady stream of clients and opportunities for growth. Through networking, marketing efforts, and word-of-mouth referrals, they can turn their passion for planning and organizing into a thriving and profitable business venture. Number 2. Sigma female loves photography. A Sigma female's passion for photography can blossom into a profitable career through various avenues. They can start by offering photography services for events like weddings, birthdays, or corporate gatherings. By showcasing their portfolio online and networking within their community, they can attract clients who appreciate their unique style and perspective. Additionally, they can sell their photos as prints or digital downloads through online platforms or at local art fairs. Sigma females can also explore opportunities in stock photography, licensing their images for use in advertising, websites, and publications. By continuously honing their skills and staying updated on industry trends, they can build a reputation as a reliable and talented photographer. Collaborating with other professionals, such as event planners or businesses needing visual content, can also open doors to new opportunities. With dedication, creativity, and entrepreneurial spirit, Sigma females can turn their love for photography into a fulfilling and financially rewarding career. Number 3. Sigma female loves traveling. For a Sigma female who loves to travel, turning this passion into a money-making job can be an exciting journey. One option is becoming a travel blogger or vlogger, sharing their adventures and insights on social media platforms or through their own website. By creating engaging content, they can attract followers, sponsorships, and collaborations with travel brands. Another avenue is becoming a travel consultant or planner, helping individuals or groups organize and book their dream vacations. They can offer personalized recommendations, itinerary planning, and insider tips based on their own experiences. Alternatively, Sigma females can explore remote work opportunities that allow them to work while traveling, such as freelance writing, photography, or digital marketing. They can also consider becoming tour guides or travel agents, sharing their knowledge and passion for different destinations with others. With determination, creativity, and a love for exploration, Sigma females can turn their wanderlust into a fulfilling and profitable career. Number 4. Sigma female believes in fairness and equality for everyone. A Sigma female's strong belief in fairness and equality for everyone can be turned into a meaningful and profitable career in several ways. She can work as a diversity and inclusion consultant, helping organizations create fair and equitable workplaces. This involves assessing company policies, providing training, and developing strategies to promote inclusivity. Another option is to start a nonprofit organization or social enterprise focused on social justice issues, such as advocating for equal rights, supporting marginalized communities, or providing education on these topics. She could also become a motivational speaker or coach, inspiring others to embrace fairness and equality in their personal and professional lives. Writing books, blogs, or articles about these issues can further spread her message and potentially generate income through sales and speaking engagements. Additionally, working in human resources or as a mediator can allow her to directly influence fair treatment in the workplace. By leveraging her passion for equality, a Sigma female can build a career that not only aligns with her values but also makes a positive impact on society, all while providing financial stability. Her dedication to justice can open up many opportunities to create change and earn a living. Number 5. Sigma female loves DIY projects. A Sigma female who loves DIY projects can easily turn this hobby into a profitable career. She can start by creating a blog or YouTube channel where she shares tutorials and tips on various DIY projects, such as home decor, crafts, or upcycling old items. By regularly posting high-quality content, she can attract a following and earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Another option is to sell her DIY creations on platforms like Etsy or at local craft fairs. Handmade items, such as jewelry, home decor, and personalized gifts, are always in demand. She can also offer custom projects, allowing customers to request specific designs. Additionally, she could teach DIY workshops or classes, either in person or online. People are always eager to learn new skills, and she can charge a fee for her expertise. Partnering with local businesses to host these workshops can also expand her reach. Finally, writing an ebook or creating an online course about DIY projects can be another revenue stream. Sharing her knowledge in a structured format can attract people willing to pay for detailed guidance. By leveraging her passion for DIY, a Sigma female can create multiple income streams, turning her hobby into a successful and fulfilling business. Number 6. Sigma female loves yoga/meditation. A Sigma female who enjoys yoga and meditation can turn this hobby into a money-making job in several ways. She can start by becoming a certified yoga instructor or meditation teacher. Certification programs are available both online and in person, providing the necessary skills and credentials. Once certified, she can offer classes at local studios, gyms, or even start her own practice. Additionally, she can teach private sessions, either one-on-one or in small groups, catering to clients who prefer personalized attention. Hosting workshops or retreats focused on yoga and meditation can also be a profitable venture, especially if held in serene, attractive locations. Another option is to create online content, such as instructional videos, guided meditation recordings, or live-streamed classes. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and specialized fitness apps can help her reach a global audience. Monetization can come from ads, sponsorships, or a subscription model. She can also write a blog or ebook about yoga and meditation techniques, benefits, and personal experiences. Offering online courses or memberships that provide exclusive content and community support is another way to generate income. By leveraging her passion for yoga and meditation, a Sigma female can build a fulfilling career that promotes wellness while earning a steady income. Number 7. Sigma female loves music. A Sigma female who loves music can turn this hobby into a money-making job through various creative avenues. If she plays an instrument or sings, she can offer lessons to beginners and intermediate students, either in person or online. Teaching music can be rewarding and provide a steady income. Performing live is another option. She can book gigs at local venues, such as cafes, bars, and events. Playing at weddings, parties, and corporate events can also be lucrative. Additionally, she can create a YouTube channel or social media accounts to showcase her talent. By posting regular content, she can build a following and earn money through ads, sponsorships, and fan support platforms like Patreon. Recording and selling music is another great way to make money. She can produce her own songs and albums, then sell them on platforms like iTunes, Spotify, and Bandcamp. Writing songs for other artists or composing music for commercials, films, and video games can also be profitable. Finally, she can offer services as a music producer or sound engineer, helping other musicians with recording and producing their music. By combining her passion for music with these diverse opportunities, a Sigma female can create a fulfilling and financially rewarding career. Number 8. Sigma female loves cooking/baking. A Sigma female who loves cooking or baking can turn this passion into a money-making job in several ways. She can start by sharing her recipes and cooking tips through a blog or YouTube channel. By regularly posting engaging content, she can attract followers and monetize her platform through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Another option is to offer cooking or baking classes, either in person or online. People are always eager to learn new culinary skills, and she can charge a fee for her expertise. Hosting workshops or themed cooking parties can also be fun and profitable. Selling her homemade goods is another great way to earn money. She can start a small business selling baked goods, such as cakes, cookies, or bread, at local farmers markets, craft fairs, or through online platforms like Etsy. Custom orders for events like birthdays, weddings, and holidays can be particularly lucrative. She can also consider writing a cookbook or creating an online recipe collection. By sharing her unique recipes and culinary tips, she can reach a wider audience and generate income through book sales or a subscription model. By leveraging her love for cooking and baking, a Sigma female can create multiple income streams and turn her hobby into a rewarding and profitable career. Number 9. Sigma female loves to exploring nature. A Sigma female who loves exploring nature can turn this passion into a money-making job in several ways. One option is to become a nature guide, leading hiking, camping, or wildlife tours. By sharing her knowledge and love for the outdoors, she can provide memorable experiences for others while earning an income. Another possibility is to create a blog or YouTube channel focused on outdoor adventures. She can share her experiences, tips, and beautiful photos or videos from her trips. As her audience grows, she can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing for outdoor gear and travel services. She can also offer her services as a freelance writer or photographer, contributing articles and photos to travel magazines, websites, and guidebooks. This allows her to share her passion for nature while getting paid for her expertise. Organizing and hosting nature retreats or workshops can also be profitable. These events can focus on skills like survival training, foraging, or nature photography, attracting participants who are eager to learn and willing to pay for the experience. By leveraging her love for exploring nature, a Sigma female can build a career that combines her passion with various income streams, making her hobby a rewarding and profitable job. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you in our next video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and drop a comment below. Your support is greatly appreciated.